This video will walk you through how to change the battery in most security sensors. Carefully open the sensor's cover, usually by sliding or gently prying it open. Remove the old battery or batteries. Most use a coin battery, like a CR2032 or CR123A. Insert the new battery or batteries, matching the plus and minus signs. Carefully snap or slide the cover back on. Verify the low battery message is cleared on your panel. You may need to enter your security code. The low battery message should clear on its own in a few minutes. You may receive a text message for a tamper alarm. Feel free to acknowledge and disregard the notification. You may also need to disarm your system to acknowledge a tamper notification. If you still see the low battery message, reach out to customer care. We are happy to help.